it gives it a better looking area, to be more presentable sa atong mga bisita. So all of these changes, all of these new innovations that we are going to introduce, we hope that they will come back after they watch the festival.
Pero na-foresee niyo mga possible may aragin man sa reduction?
Yes, we also consider.
Let me just add, because we heard about the concern, we added two sort of activity on Saturday night and Sunday afternoon, late afternoon. While on Saturday, we are going to invite 2 or 3 illumination tribes to join the Sadsa Kalirial, and even then proceeding to the places, so that it can attract more people to go on Saturday evening. On Sunday, the Sadsa Kalirial will be in the morning, but we will try to invite them back on the late afternoon in Sunday, when the Dinagyang has left the city already, the open. Kaya matapos na the city siguro around 3 o'clock. So sunod sila mga 4 or 5 or 6 to attract also other people here to them. Ang pag-request sa ila na hindi lang gratis si Tamore, nagdugang pa may budget, nagkasuhan pa kami sila para supportan lang kaya, para happy, you know. Because we also would like to really strike a balance of everybody is all the activities continue on, you know. What they cannot capture probably in total are the people in the sports complex, but what they can do is all tourists also that have seen already the Dinagyang presentation in the Freedom Grandstand can be attracted and drawn to continue on to Sadsa in the afternoon and have a dinner with them.
Sir, Ma'am Happy, last on my end. How do we ensure nga sa